I eating today? Well, I am in a special place. If you look up here, we are in Union Jacks. Yes, this is a little love child of mine and a very special man called Chris Bianco. Here he is, all the way from Phoenix, Arizona. How you doing, brother?
You know what? I'm gonna tell you, I'm the richest man in London. Here on this beautiful day, with all these beautiful people. I got a wood fire. We got some beautiful, also a little bit of Lincolnshire poacher we got right there. This is mozzarella we just made today.
It's a homemade, yeah?
Yeah, it's house made. We made it from curd that's made by our dear friend Tom down in Westcombe Cheddar.
Yeah.
And we've been working on this for about a year, and we just nailed it, and we're so excited about it. That,
Beautiful. It's still a pizza, guys, but like, you know, we're one of very few people in most cities like actually making the dough from scratch on site. I know there's some good other guys out there, of course, no disrespect to you. And we run these are bad boys. Look at that, man. Let's do oven temp. Oh, that is running at what temperature there, dude?
It's about 350, 360
350.
Celsius. For all the Americans out there, it's about, I think it's about 720, something like that.
That's hot, real
It's
hot.
hot, it's hot,
So
it's
hot
hot.
you can fry an egg on it. Okay. Oh my God.
It's pretty impressive.
Oh, look at that crust. Dude, look. That is the most humble, beautiful thing. Look at that little ripple. Oh, and also when you hold it, look, it's not soggy, it's literally, it's crisp. It's wafer thin. Okay, lovely people, so we've had cake cam, and we've had spoon cam, fork cam, that didn't work. We're gonna do pizza cam. One of the best pizzas you're going to get in London, made by the Don, that is Chris Bianco from Phoenix, Arizona. So he's come from the desert to London. Yeah. God bless you all, lots of love. Over and out. Bye.